Katasumo mwaso ni binise. Siyasi jeje rwale sa memwenye. Wakwati NDC. NDC di omoba omugu nyuma. Na fe ya baye. Na manfo no yesi property owning democracy. That means yebama we kwa me na owning property. Uye o savings awana abedie. Enti nkokura ne mere wafo ya yo mu savings o mo twen so mo be ko pension o makwa akodi. Na ya ban ne fa pen ne paper. So we use governmental power. That
guy, Okatakyi, I think NPP supporters will have to look at him critically. That guy, he's not good for us. And I had to say the party was down and we needed somebody to speak. And so when he started criticizing NDC, probably many people thought he's for us. That Okatakyi guy, he needs to be steadied. He's not good. And his posturing, he sounds too arrogant, and like he wants to parade himself as a knowledge bank, and he's not infallible, but the way he positions himself, he cannot be smarter than all of us. So I will urge NPP supporters to look at him well, and if he has any intention of contesting for anything, when he goes, he must be screened out. He doesn't qualify to be a proper member of the party, especially his utterances. And the party constitution is there to screen him out. If he has that intention, the party leadership he shouldn't go through it. He doesn't qualify per his own utterances. That is my case. I just want to caution all of us to look at him critically. He has an agenda and he's very selfish, parochial individual who will do anything to get what he wants, and these are not the people we need. In fact, we have not finished dealing with Kobne Japan, Bache Jakun, and Honorable Kennedy Japan, who have a lot of egos we are dealing with. We can't add this one to it. It will be chaotic for the party. But Voice, what I want to say is that for Dr. Bawumia, I am glad that at least he wants to tap into the sentiment of the party grassroots, and that is all that we want. You see, if you are a leader, you should be able to read the sentiment of the people and do as they want. The same thing applies to Honorable Kennedy Japan. If he is an experienced politician, today he will decide to change his ways to probably, I know it's too late, but probably to save his image, to at least touch down and appeal to the party supporters that he has erred. And then probably when he begins to do things right, some people may forgive him. That is not to say we'll vote for him, but we'll forgive him for how he has been able to hurt the party. For those people who are hiding behind him and pushing him, today, based on the thunderous acceptance of Dr. Bawumia and his obvious rejection by the people, it must send a signal to him if he means well for himself and his family. What I will say is that I thank Dr. Bawumia for gauging the sentiment of the people and speaking the language that will resonate with the people. And we thank him so much. After all the things that we come up to say, I think he listens and is doing just exactly that. And we are very much appreciative of the steps he has taken to address the issues of the party, especially by sending a signal to the NDC that whenever we have the opportunity, we will punish them. And I will repeat, we will punish them for that thing that they have done. And I think that is a message that the party people wanted to hear. And it's clarion call for all of us to.
Nanu kan se mugu nkrofo asum ya. Party ne do doni ahofama na ne ye party no. But when say Judas first ne ye ginidi. Ene kwa na mi kunu wasa obeka sa asem ne kirem se say first me ka twesa akwa ni ka se ye be ha modaachi. Me kan na ne me ko. So wo ka Judas asem ne wo. Oh, jai. ono so ya no de no de ti abontene nti na ye nya yi but on say na ye gini di wo party nim ye nim so ye no kwarefo ye nim so wo do grassroots ye nim so ye yi but e kire no a on say ono no de nyina no so onko for flag bearership ba nti na nya ade a bibia wo ye bia ye but chef voice me say me efisi ye wo me manifi ya me di party ye chi me hu se e ko internal election ma ne ye rough said de ono nko aba mu bi da binum kasa na ado ne island na echenwe but eno no na didi atamu nim se yo eno no ne ye nka nsam ya Alan yere kura no enye voice na anu yi a wo ye so wo ye yi ntakrabo ya anka na obi enim na yere se ne yiri nie uti ase ana first ne ye ko ye fe ne se kwa campaign a omoye no munya ibata mfa ye ho ne ye adwuma no but won say obia ne se de ote obi dia ya ne nkrofo nti Samira se ne se Samira no omufie no omoye politicians da so hu nti ade wo mogya mu no ne wo mogya mu nkrofo nti lady na se so hu wo mogya because omufie no omoye politicians ankasa wahun enuti na tembi on say o si o mount platform na so o make move bi a e different nye say e bi a ya kire na say you on say e moje mu ade obi a ne gift anya media ama enti voice NPP de e party ani pado party no ye de ye do ene yakoma nya ne didi akire enti no on say de na party no ma ya mu bi wo ho a na ha ye mpa wo enti na to de bi a ye nu bi wo ho say no say me say makasa say because of say party krama say I say my rude person bi but eto de bia eye yaw na ye de ye sa na ema no so hu enti anana de ye de nyame asese amanfo hu say entro ne ye di kire wo mo efise show mu na ye nya hwe ma mo no ono so de woji a waji bia ma na yere adi bia ma na adwuma ye fo ye de esese ye de ko constituencies ni enka grassroots for no kwa de so masen no wosan age bo so enti won say abronye be yi sa revelation we ma manfo na manfo won say sa ya ye mistake enti won say enti time ye election ye mu bi wo a ye kan ye ndisi for do mo ya turo 208 o mo ko print bank statement o mo ye so de ye kan bia na manfo wonte because na abufuo I fi say nipa no ne netifi obeka to say ye man 800 million si won si form ana osi wo nsi fom ana mode ne ya amam ne yi ne so no ni nyina ati no ne contract akese ya oji sika no de ahye ne ho owi a no obese wo adwene emu ahe no wode mamo what I say ye de se party fo ne hu se wono no wo se party ne fi se ne num nsem a wo kan ye binum me mfiri mu enso metete wo mo akwa nkrofo asum enti wo de hwe enka ne pa wono ampa pa first na nka wo background to say ka obehu mora no and can audience. We say no urban he. Tipon so teke muso so he. NDC for kakre ye cause so mu ye ya no bi na chi no mu ye you no ankasa me say what yi pack kene so na manfo ye we aba utimu say waye basa ene de me se food no so nyanko anko onu no so okoye eni je bie ni mu no nim say de waye no waso CD atu nkrofo bi egu app yi so omo kansam akese dabe ne ba se party mu ye kasa etimi du obi yire atem ne na sefo sa no me se wonu ankasa ne onya hu hwe me se party we voice se ye do be kwa udu grounds a enne kire enne do ma ya kire no ankasa onim ti ne waye basa no we hu se enya adwuma tibra na champion ma na ni na ho mfa ne ho mo no obese ne da akye ama
no voice I'll be no voice